In this video, let's see how to download Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook in your laptop. Okay, before starting the installation process, let's understand what is Anaconda. For example, imagine Anaconda as your data science Swiss Army knife. It's a versatile platform designed to make a data analysis smoother and more accessible. So, why Anaconda matters? Here's why you should choose Anaconda for data analysis journey. Number 1. Seamless package management. Anaconda's secret weapon. Conda takes the pain out of installing and updating data science libraries. It's like having a magic wand for your toolkit. Number 2. Virtual environment. Anaconda lets you to create isolated environment for different projects. No more libraries conflict. You can keep your project neatly separated. Number 3. Cross-platform harmony. Whether you are on Windows, Mac OS or Linux, Anaconda plays nice with all major operating systems. Data analysis shouldn't be limited by your OS. Now that you grasp the importance of Anaconda, let's zoom in on one of its shining stars, Jupyter Notebook. Why use Anaconda? Before we diving into the installation, let's explore Anaconda, the data analysis and scientist, the best friend. Streamlined package management. Anaconda Conda package management simplified the library installation and updating, saving you from compatibility headaches. Virtual environment for Zen-like peace. With Anaconda, you can create cozy, isolated spaces for each project. No more libraries was between project. Cross-platform love. Anaconda does not pick favorites. It's your data science companion on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now that we are sold on Anaconda, let's go into our hand on dirty and install it. Installing Anaconda. Time to get Anaconda on your machine. Here are the recipe of smooth installation. Step 1. Snag Anaconda. Fire up your browser and visit the official website at anaconda.com. First, go to your Google Chrome and there search for Anaconda. When you hit enter, you will find out this page, that Anaconda Individual Edition. Click on that and you have this page will open, and here you have free download option. Just click on it and choose your download option based on your type, like Windows, Mac, anything. Just hit the download button, and if you hit here, it will go to another page and it will start downloading your Anaconda over here. Then it will take 15 minutes to 20 minutes to download your Anaconda. Then after downloading, just click on the next to install that Anaconda in your system. Then go to your search bar and search for Anaconda over here. You'll find Anaconda Navigator in this. Click on that and open the Anaconda Navigator. When it's open, it takes some time. Let's wait for to open the Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, our Anaconda Navigator we had opened. There you have many options like data spell, Anaconda Notebook, CMD, X prompt, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter, like that. You have to download a Jupyter. Just click on launch, then it started downloading. After that, install it. Then go to your, again after that installed, go to your window bar and search for Jupyter. Okay, then open the Jupyter. So if you click enter on Jupyter, this page will open. Then Jupyter Notebook will open. Okay, it look like this when it open. There you have to click on new and Python 3. Then your notebook will open like this. Here you can write your code. For example, print hello world. Then I hit run, it print my code. So this is how you can download Anaconda, and in that Anaconda you can download Jupyter Notebook. Then you install that Jupyter Notebook in your system, and you can write to use that Jupyter Notebook to write the code and do data analysis project like that. So this is a brief introduction of how to install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook on your system. So tune for the next video.